I hope that when you see such question, you will know that it's actually there's a need to combine fractions. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to combine fractions. So I think often it's always very tempted, okay, to just multiply the two denominators together, and then you just end up with a fraction like this, which is so complicated. So I'm going to suggest to you an easier way, which is using factorization of the first denominator that you see on the left here with the pointer. Now, so actually if you look at the denominator here, okay, it's actually a factorization of this denominator, and actually this is actually from the factorization. Yeah, so sorry, it's actually from the factorization a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, whereby a is actually x and b is actually 2y if you relate to the denominator here. Now if you see carefully, there's actually a common term here and a common term here. Usually people will put x plus 2y whole thing squared, but a good advice for you, a good suggestion for you is just to take one common term out, which is x plus 2y, out of these two common terms over here. So of course when you continue on, you actually need to multiply the numerators by the denominators that you see over here. For 5y, you just need to write 5y without multiplying anything, because the denominator here is the same as here. But for 3x, for 3, sorry, you actually have to multiply by x minus 2y. This is the same by saying multiply by x minus 2y to the top and bottom, which is the numerator and the denominator, and that's why you will get this final expression over here. And so after you do the rainbow method, okay, which is plus 3 times x, which get plus 3x, and then plus 3 times minus 2y, you get minus 6y. Then you get this wonderful simplified expression here. But this is not the end, because you have like terms 5y and 6y here. So if I use the eraser, 5y minus 6y will actually be minus y. So this is actually the final answer. Some of you may ask me, can we put the minus y in front? My answer is, why not? Why not? Another way is to put the plus 3x in front and the minus y behind, so it becomes 3x minus y over x plus 2y, x minus 2y.